Okay, what's going on YouTube? Pyros. The bugs are eating my ass alive. And since everybody's got crazy with those challenges, I figure I'm going to do my own challenge. This is some 17 second foot fuse with about 10 M150 reds, 5 Magnum flashers, and a fountain in the middle of that, hooked onto an electronic firing system. We're going to do how boss are you letting off your bonfire, and this is just for an experiment, so you wouldn't want anyone around this, but I'm going to touch this off electronically. Hold on, let me pull out the antenna. It's a little breezy and I wasn't going to do this, but this is light off your fire like the boss challenge. Fuse a little bit slow. Alright, we got the flashers going. Look pretty cool. Imagine this at night, and I wasn't going to wait till at night. There go the flashers. So at night this is going to look awesome. There goes the crackers. Just be patient, it's coming. I'm guessing as soon as it hits that paper, it's going to go up. Just a reminder, make sure no one's around this if you do it. This is made for a bigger bonfire. There we go. We have ignition. We have some flashers. We have crackers. We have crackers. And waiting for the fountain. There's crackers. There's the fountain, and you can't see it, but it's burning in there. There it is. And that's how you light off a bonfire with some spunk. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.